Guys, hi guys, happy to all. Today we are going to see to find a importer of another from another database on from Jawaharlal Customs Office. It's from Government of India Ministry, both the importer and the exporters database. So just click this page. Of course, it is free of cost. There is no charges. Let's go to this. There is a PDF loading file. It is private limited. This is the E code of the firm name. So just type the company name in Google. K&M Shutters Private Limited. K&M Shutters Private Limited. So I got the details from Just Dial. Then I'm not found the website. If it is contact numbers are available in KM website, then we can call it or use the show number icon to reach them. Yeah, of course, it is a Mumbai website, so we need to know the company process of company services of the firm. So we can go here to find that solution. Blah 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 and register as company limited AGM. It's a balance private limited, of course, yes, of course it is. I think it's a building complete construction or civil engineering. So it's an engineering company, so they are especially importing the product for civil engineering product requirements, maybe a tiles too. Then Nippo Commercial Corporation, for example, you type Nippo Commercial Corporation. So fortunately happy to see that we identified in website itself, I mean Google map itself. So there is a company website. Of course we got the contact number. The location is Mumbai. So nippochains.in is an I hope is actually pumping services. So I hope they are importing from China. So maybe if our product prices are low, then we can approach them as an exporter too. Not only the importers need to contact from out of country, even if you are in India, you can contact them if you have the same product. Maybe you possible to get it in lower price more than this company, no? So you try to approach them for domestic sales. So that is also a good idea for you all to do the business in a running mode. Of course, they are doing importing concrete for civil engineering requirement also. Okay, that's good idea. All the best. Bye bye.